Hi everybody, it's me again, Gloria from Los Angeles, California. I'm here with my husband Bob. As you can see, he's made his major purchase from electricbikeparadise.com, a Rattan LM 750 model e-bike with the 4-inch fat tires. Fantastic purchase. As you can see, Bob is a senior just like me. He's 70 years young and enjoying every bit of his bike rides. So again, I can't reiterate enough. Make your purchase. Go to electricbikeparadise.com and make your purchases today. You won't be disappointed. The support staff is great.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.